Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and you know you've had a time when you get back in your room or wherever you are and you want to switch over your music playback as easily as you can switch over sources to your AirPods, but Apple hasn't made that feature yet. So today let's look at a third-party handoff feature that allows you to very quickly switch media playback locations without skipping a beat. So this app is $1.99 from the iOS App Store and free on the Mac App Store. And you'll need the app on each device that you want to use it with, but it will be $2 total unless you're using two Macs, and that would be free. And there's not currently Apple Watch support nor official iPad support, but that is coming and it kind of works now. The whole concept though is using Bluetooth to communicate between the apps, and it actually works really well. You start off by launching the application on every device you want to use it with and very quickly pair to your neighboring devices. The iPad does more or less work, but it's not officially supported, as I said, but the developer does say that it is in the works, so by the time you're watching this, it may be here officially. When you want to actually use this, bring your device near the other device and then use either the iOS app or the Mac toggle. Choose the device you want to steal the music from. Most of the time it will properly pick up within a couple seconds and recover both the song and the playback location. When it works its best, you get an almost instantaneous switch without pausing the music between the two devices and picking up where you left off. It occasionally will take a few seconds to do this. It occasionally will restart the song. All slight bugs I think are being worked out. There isn't a whole lot to say here about this program other than it's still being improved as it is being used, and it's a great app and a pretty solid service, and it looks like it'll be continued to be worked on. And if you're interested in further improving your iOS or Mac music experience, Thor sent over their Lightning earbuds and their over-the-ear headphones. They come in at $30 and $50 respectively, which are great prices, with a built-in remote control and microphone for your music and audio needs. And with the over-ear headphones, you can use it Bluetooth, you can use it with aux, or you can use it with Lightning. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out these great devices.